So a lot of small businesses popped up on the scene when the pandemic hit back in 2020 with folks tapping into their hobbies or their likes or whatever it was because of free time or unfortunately because of job cuts. Our guest, Jonelle Lawrence, was one of those in the latter category, and she tapped into something that birthed Crafty Organix, her self-care line, powered by plants, and she's here to talk to us this morning. Hi, Jonelle. Morning.
Hi, good morning, Simone. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. How are you?
Not too bad.
Wow. I think you're doing pretty well if I'm to judge by what I see on the table in front of me. First of all, tell me a little bit about what led you to starting this company, this line.
Okay, so I would usually go in the yard and pick plants or take out fruits out of the fridge and put on my face, making my own DIY projects. And it helps because I love to create. So putting the two passions together, Crafty Organix was born.
Mm-hmm. And it was born in the year of the pandemic. So you worked in tourism?
Right. So I was working at a hotel, and because of the pandemic, job loss. So I became, idle with my hands and created this line.
Yeah. How long did it take you to get the line up and running? Because there are so many elements to putting a line together. You can't just put any and anything together. You have to know what's good for the face, what's not good for the face, which mixtures work, which mixtures don't work. So it must have taken some time.
It did. So I lost my job in March, and I got around doing this around in August. So I gave it 6 months to a year. And don't get me wrong, even now I still try to develop and improve the products along the line.
And what was really your mission and your vision for it when you started?
When I started Crafty Organix, I wanted to give individuals a reason to exude confidence and to manage their mental health through organic skincare and aromatherapy.
Oh, manage your mental health through skincare and aromatherapy. That's powerful. Tell me a little bit about how you see those two actually linked.
Okay, so when you look good, you feel great. And I myself struggle with anxiety. So when I'm making my products, it gives me a world of its own to create and relax and pinpoint patterns or triggers of my own where I know that this situation might not be good for me, or even know where I have to, speak to you helps me relax, and that's how it works for me.
And you're doing a really great job, may I just say.
Thank you.
Okay, madam. So talk me through your line. You've developed quite a few products in a very short time. So you've been working clearly. So talk me through the products that we have here. Pumpkin pod.
Right. So that is a cream cleanser. It is oil-free. And we make that with real pumpkins. We turn the pumpkins into pumpkin powder through dehydration of the pumpkin, right? And it also has kaolin clay in it. And pumpkin is such an underrated ingredient because it moisturizes the skin and it gives you such a beautiful, healthy glow.
Never knew that. I eat a pumpkin. I never know you could use pumpkin on your skin. The rose serum, tell me a little bit about the rose serum.
So the rose serum is made with hyaluronic acid, which pulls the moisture out of your skin. It actually is already in our bodies. However, through the serum, it gives you a more balance. It pulls the moisture out of your skin naturally. So your skin doesn't look dehydrated. It plumps up the skin so you look like you have plastic surgery when you actually don't. Beautiful product.
And then you have the toner that goes with it. And then we've got the pumpkin dew exfoliating mask. So this is for cleaning the skin.
It actually doesn't peel your skin.
No, not peel, clean.
Oh,
taking off the dead skin. Yes.
Right, definitely. So you apply this mask. It doesn't dry out the skin. Very good on the moisturization. It has oats and pineapple in it as well, and lactic acid, which is kind of like glycolic acid, but on reduce the level because it's perfect for sensitive skin.
Okay.
So it cleans up and reduces.
And then you've got a line of soap. So you have the herbal bar, the detox bar, and a glow bar.
Right.
And then I'm particularly intrigued by this beach don't kill my vibe.
Right. The soy candle.
This looks like something I want to eat, but it's really a bad plan, don't it?
Yes, I don't think we should.
Okay. And the Yo Mocha Me Crazy. So I don't have to
Right.
ask you about the scents of these, right?
No. So
So-
mocha me is coffee, and beach don't kill my vibe is more of a floral scent.
Okay, so you have candles, and then over here we have body scrubs, whipped, foaming. You have espresso. What is this on here? Sun-kissed.
Sun-kissed fairy.
And the other one is what? Cookies and
Espresso
cream.
Mhm.
Oh, very nice. Where do we find these products there, Jonelle?
So you can find us on Instagram at Crafty Organix, or you can send us a message on Facebook, Crafty Organix Co.
Okay, fantastic. Well, congratulations to you pushing through.
Thank you.
Lots of us had to kind of, find our mojo in the pandemic and turn around and make fashion, and you've done just that. And
Definitely.
created a whole line, girl. So congratulations
Thank
to you.
you.
And all the best with the line. The owner of Crafty Organix, Jonelle Lawrence, with us this morning. Up next, we're checking with another young lady doing horrifying. We're going to meet the woman behind Jade Lauren after the break. Soon come.